Hi everyone, welcome to Scrapping Scotland. You join me for another teardown video, and today we're going to tear down this old electricity meter. Okay, don't get them like this anymore. This is a really old one. Obviously now they're all kind of digital. This is a radio tele switch meter. Interesting. Says things about half price electricity. Not something you're going to get anymore either, as electricity is very expensive. So we're going to take this apart, and hopefully we're going to find some brass in here. The plastic on the outside is kind of like this Bakelite plastic, and you know, probably could just smash this in half with a hammer and it'll just fall apart, but we'll try and take it apart properly so we don't make a mess. But yeah, needs must, and if I can't get apart easy, then the hammer will come out. Okay, let's get down to business. Okay, so we've got 3 screws in the front. Nothing screw wise I can see in the back. So let's get the front 3 out first. These little bits appear to be stainless steel, as they're not attracted to the magnet. Smashy smash. Looks like some kind of string or rope. I'm not sure. If that's copper that's in here. I think it probably is. It's like covered in a string, so I don't know if you'd have to put that in as insulated copper. You can see on the end of it there, this piece here, that's copper, and then the rest of it's covered in a string substance. Nothing in that piece, just plastic. Alright guys, there's it out of the plastic. So you can see we've got a little transformer here. Got a nice big brass plate here. And lots of kind of pieces of brass here. These screws will probably be brass as well. Get the magnet. Yeah, not attracted to any of that. So that's all brass. This is either aluminium or stainless steel. And we've got a board underneath this as well. So let's get the plastic off. Let's get this tin plate off the top. See what else we've got in here. There's a tin plate off the top. Or a stainless steel plate, I should say. The bottom plate. Again, all stainless. Then there's our board. So we've just got a few capacitors here, aluminium ones, couple of IC chips, copper relay switch in there. There's definitely some little bits of gold here. Nothing on the back. And the little bits at the top are tin plate, not silver plate. So I'm interested to see what this piece is. To get to that, we're going to have to take the little brass bolt out the back. Okay, this is a little brass bolt, and that releases the brass plate as well. Okay, that piece actually goes into this one. Not something I can just pull off. Same with this little brass plate on the side, can't seem to pull that off either. There we go, as we open it, we've got a lovely big chunk of brass, nice chunky brass in here, and we've got two lovely reels of copper as well. kind of magnet in the middle. So definitely some form of little motor. Okay, so when you get the brass out of this, as you can see, it has a beautiful, nice big piece of silver on the end there, which is the switch. Okay, and this other piece here will be the other side, the other connection. As you can see, nice big bit of silver on the end of that as well. And here's our little copper motor reels. Nice little bit of copper on that. See some gold pins here as well. Now you just get these bits of brass out. Alright, just clean that a little bit up. And we'll take the transformer off our board. There's our little transformer. Unfortunately it's a little one and it's welded, so hopefully we can just bang that with a hammer and that will come apart, that weld. Okay, removing our relay switch as well. Again, nice little copper reel in there. And the rest of it we'll leave for processing a little later. Okay, so I just want to check these other pieces to see if they are possibly brass as well. So another piece here. I'll use a little magnet. So none of them are magnetic. So we'll take them off, we'll check them to see if they're brass or if they're stainless steel or aluminium. And we'll process the rest of that stuff later. I've got a little crystal oscillator here, as you can see. We have a little transistor here. As you can see, probably along the top line there. That's a nice bit of copper in that as well. And then, as I said, we've got some gold pins over this as well. that we can certainly take off the board. Okay, so that's the board. Okay, these little pieces are definitely brass. You can see if I look at the edge of it, it's all brass. It's nice and shiny. And it's the same with these pieces as well. You can see in here it's brass. Okay, doke, so we'll weigh up our brass. And it weighs 159 grams, which actually isn't bad for a small little unit like that. Obviously a couple of the pieces do have silver nubs on them, so it'll take a little bit off it, but not a lot. Transformer weighs 179 grams. Obviously you're not going to get 179 bits of copper out of that, or 179 grams of copper out of that, because it's encased in steel. Then we've got our little motor here. That weighs 56.3 grams, but again, tops and bottom of this is steel, so we need to take all that apart to actually see what it is. So let's do that. Okay, so tops and bottoms off, and I can now just pull it out and unravel. Then we can stick it on the scale and see what we've got. Okay, so goodness gracious, we've got 2 balls of copper. Okay, there's a little copper balls. .8 grams. So not a huge amount, but one little motor. Let's give this a tap and see if we can open that up. All I'm trying to do there is break the weld. Okay, now successfully done that on one side. Let's try the other side. Okay, so just like the bigger transformers, break the weld and take the top off. Now I need to get the inside out, and we can do that by putting it in the vise and banging through. Okay, and there's our little interior of our copper transformer. Now the next thing is to get the tape off and get the plastic off and get the copper out. And the best way just to do these is just to cut one side and then you can just pull it off. Made it a lot easier if you have sharper snips than mine. Well and truly stuck to the plastic, this stuff. I say it is a very old unit. Plastic is very brittle. Okay. Not sure the plastic's going to come off it very easily. The plastic tape. The dreaded yellow tape. Not a fan of it, I have to say. can be a real pain. Try to get it off. I know a lot of people would just stick that in number 2 as it is. I wouldn't try and clean that up, that's fair enough. Alrighty. Well, the little tape's not going to add any weight to this, so we'll stick it on the scale and see what the little transformer's copper weighs. Yeah, it's only 22.8 grams. So put that together with our little donuts. Hopefully still weigh the same. It's 51.7 grams of copper. And of course we're not including that the copper from our little switch. So let's break that open and add that copper to it. I mean, these aren't usually that tough to open. Okay, in these as well there's little bits of silver, there's little bits of brass, but we're just going to grab the copper at the moment. Okay, altogether 56.9 grams. That's the copper. That, along with the brass that we took out of that, a little bit of stainless steel as well. Let's see what the stainless steel weighed. Let's do it this way. It's 207 grams of stainless steel. And then the shred that was the normal steel that came from the transformer. Okay, I'm not going to weigh that. Of course, we did have another 17.3 grams there from the stainless steel screws that were in the unit. do have one of them still in the unit. This little fella didn't want to come out, so we will wrestle that out. But we'll do that off camera. For this one, guys, that's that teardown complete. See, nice little bit of brass, a couple of really nice little silver nubs on that as well, so that's a nice little Brucey bonus. A little bit of copper, not a lot, but you know what, it adds to the copper bin, so it's still positive, and a little bit of stainless steel as well. So that was the teardown, guys, of the electricity meter. As I say, a really old one, certainly not use those ones anymore. It's all the digital type of ones now, all your smart meters. You don't use these things anymore. So thank you for watching, guys, and tune in to the next Scrapping Scotland. Bye for now.